Hello, I hope you're doing well. My name is Cess from the Wisdome team, and I'm happy to introduce to you our new tool called Embed Link. This system allows you to build quizzes, forms, and calendars that you can easily embed into your course or any other website. Let me show you how to use it. Okay, for today, we're going to create a quiz using this form. Okay, so first just go to embedlink.com. Don't worry, this link will be added in the description section of this video. Okay, so once you're on the website, you can actually just go directly to Quiz Builder to get to this page. And these are the details that we need. Okay, so we need a quiz title. We also need to add a short description of the quiz. And then you can change the brand color. You can also add a URL or a link to your logo. Okay. Then next, we're going to need an email to receive the responses that you will get from the form. Okay. And in this section that says respondent details, this is actually a good opportunity for you to also collect leads. In the respondent details, it says ask for a name. Since we want to capture leads, so let's make it required. The same thing for the email. Let's make it required. Okay, that's looking great. Now I'm going to add our questions. And for this, you actually have an option for an open text, a multiple choice, and a scale of 1 to 10 kind of quiz. So I'm going to choose multiple choice. Okay, so let's add our questions. And then here we will add the multiple choice answers. All right. Okay, and then we're going to add our second question. So we'll just repeat the same process. So make this a multiple choice, add the question, and then add our answers. Okay, let's publish this quiz. That way, all of the information will be saved. Okay, so the next step is to embed this quiz into your website. For this demo, I'll embed this quiz to a course. So all you have to do is to copy the embed code. So just go to this button that says embed code. And then I'm going to select the custom height. Simply because for me, this has the best overall look on my course lessons. So just go to copy embed code. And now we will go to our admin side on Wisdome. Then let's just go to courses. Let's select the course. If you want this assessment to be inside a module, just select the module by clicking on the module title. All right, now we can create our lesson, or just go to add lesson and then enter the title. So in this area that says content, we are going to select HTML. Okay, and this is where we add the embed code that we have copied previously. So just paste it. Okay, and then for the lesson file, we still have to add a lesson file. That is to give your students more context as to what this quiz is about. So let's add our file. And then you can also add resources, like attach a PDF file or maybe an audio, or you could also attach a video. So, however, we'll skip this for now. Okay. And for the membership access level, if this course also has people under a membership access level, just select those. Okay. And then click create lesson. There you go. Our lesson has been added. And then let me show you what the form looks like, on the members side. All you have to do is to go to courses and then look for the course where the quiz was added. And the lesson was inside a module. So let's click this module title. And our quiz is this one. Okay, there's our video and there's our quiz. So I'm just going to select. I'll just select randomly. All right, this is going to be the last question. So this part right here is the lead generation part of it, because in order for the student or for the user to be able to access the summary or the interpretation of the quiz, they'll have to enter their details. So they'll have to enter a name and then their email address. So okay, and then submit. All right, so we have successfully submitted the quiz. The email will go to the quiz creator, and then you as a creator will be able to send a reply, give a summary based on the answers that they have provided.